Is Spotify down? Thousands of users report problems with music streaming app. Spotify appeared to be experiencing widespread technical issues Wednesday morning with tens of thousands of users reporting problems with the popular music and audio streamer. As of around 10:20 am, ET down detector showed more than 34,000 outage reports for Spotify worldwide, down from a peak of over 48,000 earlier. Many of those users said they were having difficulty loading both the app and website, playing or hearing songs, and using its search function. We were aware of some issues right now and are checking them out. Spotify wrote on X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, Wednesday morning. Spotify did not immediately provide more information about what might be causing the outage, but the company's sport account Spotify Cares said that the Roy team is on it and working on a fix. In addition to loading and playback issues, updates from Spotify noted that some users were also having difficulty accessing the platform's sports site. The Associated Press reached out to the company for further details Wednesday. Spotify currently boasts having a total of more than 675 million users, including 263 million subscribers across over 180 markets around the world.